Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can report a profile on Facebook. So go to your Facebook account and tap on the search icon on the upper right. And then here you can type the name of the person that you want to report. For example, I'm just gonna try doing this to my dummy account. And then once you're on their profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the right, the one that's beside the word message. And here the fifth option is report profile. So just tap on that and just select a problem. For example, fake account. Just read this, and once you're settled, then tap submit. As you can see, it says, "Thank you, we've received your report." So the report will be reviewed, and once a decision will be made, then you will be sent a notification about the decision. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.